Imagine waking up without that nagging knee pain, and finally getting a full night of restful sleep, just 1 week from now. No pills, no expensive treatments, just 3 simple ingredients you can grab at your local grocery store. Sounds impossible? Well, it's already working for thousands of people just like you. And here's the thing, once you understand what's really going on inside your body, you'll never look at aging the same way again. As we get older, especially after 60, our bodies start whispering little warnings. Maybe climbing stairs gets harder. Maybe your joints feel stiff in the morning, or your skin just doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Most of us just brush it off, "Oh, I'm just getting older." But what if I told you that some of these changes, things we've been told are just part of aging, can actually be reversed, naturally? In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple recipe using 3 everyday ingredients, nothing fancy, nothing expensive, that can help ease joint pain, boost your energy, improve sleep, and even support healthier skin. One of these ingredients is often ignored in the produce aisle. One is usually thrown away, even though it's full of nutrients. And one looks like candy, but is actually one of nature's best sources of collagen. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to make this powerful healing drink, but you'll understand why it works and how to make the benefits last. This might just change the way you stock your kitchen forever. Before we jump in, leave a quick comment below telling me where you're watching from and how old you are. I love seeing how many of us are choosing to stay strong, active, and vibrant as we age. Alright, let's dive in. After the age of 30, a quiet shift begins inside the body. It happens so slowly that most people don't even notice, until the aches and pains show up. That shift? It's the breakdown of collagen. Collagen makes up nearly 1/3 of all the protein in your body. It's the glue that holds everything together, your skin, bones, muscles, tendons, even your blood vessels and eyes rely on it. It keeps your joints moving smoothly and your skin firm and elastic. But here's the catch, after 30, our collagen production drops by about 1.5% every year. And that number adds up. Over time, you might start noticing stiff joints, thinning hair, saggy skin, brittle nails, even digestive troubles. Sound familiar? The big problem is, most people don't realize collagen loss is behind these symptoms. Instead, they pop pills, try trendy creams, or spend money on treatments that only offer temporary relief. But the real solution lies in understanding how collagen breaks down, and how to rebuild it from the inside out. Things like too much sugar, lack of sleep, stress, or even too much sun can speed up collagen loss. So yes, aging plays a role, but so do your daily habits. Picture your body like a factory. As you get older, production slows down, but unhealthy habits are actively tearing the factory apart. That's the double whammy. The good news? There's a way to turn things around. And it doesn't involve expensive powders or mystery supplements from across the world. All it takes is giving your body the right fuel, specific nutrients that kickstart collagen production. When you combine them the right way, your body knows exactly what to do. If you've made it this far, I can tell you care about your health, and that's something worth celebrating. So if you're enjoying this video, take a second to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. It really helps support what we're doing here. Don't forget to watch until the end, because we'll go over the full recipe step by step. And please leave a comment, share this video with someone you love, and check out our other videos on natural wellness, joint health, and aging with strength. Let's stay connected and grow stronger together. I first stumbled across this natural solution at a church gathering. A few of us were talking about the aches and pains that come with age, stiff knees, sore backs, trouble sleeping. We decided to try something simple, drink a homemade juice for 3 weeks. No gimmicks. No miracle cures. Just a small commitment to see what could happen. And you know what? The results were incredible. Over 80% of us felt better, less joint pain, better sleep, more energy. Some started doing yoga again. Others were able to go on long walks with their grandkids without feeling wiped out. One lady even told me she woke up feeling 10 years younger. As for me, that nagging knee pain I used to feel after sitting for too long, gone. And the way I slept, it was like someone flipped a switch. Deep, uninterrupted rest. I woke up feeling truly refreshed. The lesson? When you feed your body the right nutrients it can actually absorb, it responds. You don't need synthetic formulas. You just need the right fuel. Let's talk about one of the most underrated vegetables you've probably seen in the store but never thought twice about, chayote. It's a pale green veggie that's kind of pear-shaped. Honestly, it doesn't look like much. But inside? It's packed with nutrients that are especially powerful for aging joints, skin, and digestion. One of chayote's biggest benefits is its high vitamin C content. Now, most people think of vitamin C for colds or immune support, but it's absolutely essential for collagen production. Your body cannot build collagen without it. Think of vitamin C like a construction manager. It takes all the raw materials and tells your body how to use them properly. Without it, even the best collagen supplements won't work. A medium-sized chayote gives you almost 50% of your daily vitamin C needs. That makes it one of the cheapest and most effective ways to help your body rebuild and repair. But it doesn't stop there. Chayote is also loaded with flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation. And if you've been dealing with joint stiffness or discomfort, chronic inflammation might be the real culprit. By lowering that inflammation, you're not just easing pain, you're helping your body heal. Chayote is also full of fiber and water, making it great for digestion and weight management. Plus, it's got potassium, which supports healthy muscles, blood pressure, and fluid balance. If you've ever dealt with swelling or leg cramps, getting enough potassium can make a big difference. The best part? Chayote is so easy to use. You can throw it into soups, blend it into smoothies, or chop it up in a salad. It takes on whatever flavors you pair it with. In the recipe I'll share soon, chayote is the key activator. Its vitamin C turns on your body's collagen-making machine like flipping a switch. That's when you start to notice real change, from the inside out. So next time you walk past chayote in the store, don't overlook it. It may look humble, but it's a powerful ally for your health. Now, let's talk about another ingredient that might already be in your fridge, pineapple. This sweet, tropical fruit does more than just taste good. It contains one of the most powerful natural enzymes out there, bromelain. And get this, most of that bromelain is found in the core of the pineapple. The part most people throw away. Now let's talk about an ingredient you probably already know and love, pineapple. Not only is it sweet and refreshing, but it also contains one of nature's most powerful healing enzymes, bromelain. And here's the kicker, most of that bromelain is found in the core of the pineapple. That tough, fibrous center most people throw away. That's the part with the real magic. When blended with softer ingredients, like chayote and a touch of honey if you like, that tough core becomes smooth, easy to drink, and packed with healing benefits. Bromelain is a proteolytic enzyme, which means it helps break down proteins into smaller building blocks. That makes it easier for your body to absorb nutrients, especially amino acids, which are essential for making collagen. Think of bromelain as the tool that breaks big bricks into smaller ones, so your body can start building again. But there's more. Bromelain also has strong anti-inflammatory effects. In fact, clinical studies have shown it can work as well as some over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications, without the harsh side effects on your stomach or kidneys. That's why it's so helpful for folks dealing with arthritis, swollen joints, or long-term inflammation that creeps in over time. And pineapple doesn't stop at bromelain. It also delivers a powerful blend of vitamin C, manganese, and natural antioxidants, all of which help neutralize free radicals, boost your immune system, and support new collagen formation. People who eat pineapple regularly often report less bloating, better digestion, and a noticeable feeling of internal cleanliness. So in this juice recipe, pineapple does two big things. It helps your body absorb nutrients better and it fights inflammation from the inside out. That's why it's such an important piece of the puzzle. Best part? It's available in just about every grocery store. And now that you know what the core can do, you'll never want to throw it out again. So far, we've covered how chayote brings in vitamin C, and pineapple provides enzymes and antioxidants. Now it's time to reveal the third powerhouse in this healing recipe: plain, unflavored gelatin. You might think of gelatin as that wobbly dessert from childhood, but here's the truth: it's one of the most affordable and effective natural collagen sources you can find. Gelatin is essentially predigested collagen. It comes from animal collagen that's been broken down into smaller peptides your body can quickly absorb, way faster than what you'd get from bones or meat. Think of it like this: if your body is a repair crew, gelatin delivers the pre-cut materials, ready to use right away. It's also rich in amino acids that most of us don't get enough of, especially glycine and proline. These are crucial for rebuilding tissues, cushioning your joints, and firming up the skin. Plus, glycine has a calming effect on the nervous system. Many people say it helps them fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Taken daily, plain gelatin can improve joint flexibility, strengthen hair and nails, boost skin elasticity, reduce the risk of injury, and support deep, restful sleep. But here's the key: it has to be prepared properly. A lot of people mess this up and lose the benefits without realizing it. Here's the secret. Start by blooming it in warm, not hot, water. That allows it to soften and fully absorb before dissolving. This step helps preserve the collagen peptides so they stay active and useful to your body. Once it's bloomed, you can melt it gently and blend it into your juice for a smooth, creamy texture that your body will love. Alright, now let's walk through the simple steps to make this healing juice at home. Here's everything you'll need. Ingredients: 1/2 a chayote, peeled and chopped. 1 2-inch thick slice of pineapple, including the core. 1 packet, about 10 grams, of plain, unflavored gelatin. 1 2/3 cups of filtered water. Optional: 1 teaspoon of raw, wildflower honey for taste. Instructions: 1. Hydrate the gelatin. Pour the gelatin into a small bowl and add 5 tablespoons of warm, not hot, water, around 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. Stir gently and let it sit for 5 minutes to absorb the water and bloom. 2. Prep the produce. Dice the chayote into small chunks. You can leave the soft inner seed, it's completely edible and full of nutrients. Cut the pineapple slice into pieces, making sure to include the core. 3. Blend. In a blender, combine the chayote, pineapple, and filtered water. Blend on high for 3 minutes to fully break down the fibers and release the nutrients. 4. Add gelatin. Once your gelatin is fully hydrated and melted, pour it into the blender. Blend again for another 2 minutes to get a smooth, silky consistency. Your final juice should be medium thick with a light yellow-green color. If it separates after sitting, don't worry, that's just natural fiber. Just give it a stir before drinking. How to take it. Drink first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Wait at least 20 minutes before eating breakfast or drinking coffee. This timing allows your body to absorb the nutrients more efficiently, up to 60% more, in fact. Want to customize the recipe a little? Here are a few natural add-ins others have used with great results. Not a fan of chayote? Swap half of it with cucumber. It's high in silica, which also supports collagen and gives the juice a lighter taste. Want extra anti-inflammatory power? Add a small piece of fresh ginger. Focusing on skin health? Mix in a teaspoon of coconut oil to help absorb fat-soluble nutrients. For a stronger antioxidant effect, add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, with a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption. Need extra joint support? Toss in a teaspoon of chia seeds that have been soaked. Watching sugar? Use less ripe pineapple, which contains fewer natural sugars. Need a sugar-free sweetener? Try a few drops of propolis extract, a natural product from bees with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. For blood sugar support, sprinkle a bit of cinnamon to add warmth and flavor while helping manage glucose levels. Now that you've learned how to make this simple but powerful juice, the next step is easy: try it. This isn't about quick fixes or chasing the latest wellness trend. It's about giving your body the specific tools it needs to repair and renew itself, one glass at a time. To recap, chayote gives your body a vitamin C boost to activate collagen production. Pineapple delivers bromelain to reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. Plain gelatin provides easily absorbed collagen peptides and amino acids for deep tissue repair. Together, they form a powerful trio that can support your joints, skin, energy, and sleep. But remember, consistency is key. Drink this juice every day for at least 3 weeks to start seeing results. If you can commit to 3 full months, many people notice even stronger, longer-lasting improvements. After that, just 2 to 3 times per week is enough to maintain your progress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you care about, a friend, a parent, or even a neighbor who's looking for a natural way to feel better as they age. Let us know in the comments, what's your age, and where are you watching from? We love hearing from our amazing community of people who are aging boldly and living fully. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep taking small steps toward a better you.